everybody! Welcome back to our vlog! Don't forget to subscribe!
Hello, ayan. Dito pa rin kami sa bahay. Now is Sunday, November 30. Mag-DJB kami. Mag-staycation kami ng 4 days. Ayan. My plants. Nilabas ni mama yung mga halaman. Medyo healthy na sila. Ito kay Tita Pangit yan. Meron siyang mini. Ready na kami. Ano lang kami, nag-light packing lang kami. So, each of us naka-backpack or shoulder bag and then isang luggage lang yung dinala namin. Kasi, magte-train ulit kami. Nagustuhan namin yung mag-train kasi super bilis lang. Super bilis lang. And, ang tawag doon? Come here. And, anong tawag doon? Nakapag-book kami. Wait.
Give it to me. Hello, this is...
Wait. Move like up. Wait.
Hello, this is part 1 of Angela's vlog.
Okay, go inside.
Don't care about the Coco. He's annoying. We're in the lift. And now we're going to the bus stop. Get out of here.
Hi, Ezra.
I'm giving you the thumbs up. And now we're out of the lift and we're walking to the bus stop.
Okay, you continue later.
Bye. Thank you for watching our vlog.
Okay, so andito kami ngayon sa Woodlands Interchange. Ayan sila. Hi guys. Hi. Naka-ano pala to? Naka-focus. Hindi siya umiikot. Ako lang susundan. But anyway, ang tawag doon. Andito kami sa Woodlands Interchange. Inaantay namin yung bus. 911 na. And 903 or 856. Papunta sa Woodlands Checkpoint.
It's not me. It's up there.
So, medyo maaga-aga pa kami. Kaya sabi ni Dwayne, dito na lang kami magtambay kaysa dun sa Woodlands Checkpoint kasi walang upuan dun.
It's cooler here.
Tsaka mainit dun. Ayun, nandun na sila. Sinasabihan ko na sila kasi parang tumitigas yung ulo nila. Lagi silang nag-aaway. And pagdating namin doon, magpapaayos ako ng buhok kasi yung buhok baliktad. Sa taas may kulay, sa baba wala. So, magpapa-makeover tayo doon. So, yun na yung bus 858. Yan yung sinakyan namin. So, bababa siya dito. Yan na yung Woodlands Checkpoint. Pero if I remember correctly, bawal nang mag-video pag nandun na sa loob ng bawal nang mag-video pag nandun na sa loob ng building. So, yeah. Ito lang tayo magbi-video. Tapos, mamaya makapag-video na lang tayo pag nandun na tayo sa train. Bawal ang cellphone na rito. Doon sa loob. Okay, so we're in the, I think, second to the last cabin. And mayroong CR dun. Dun yung CR. I'm showing them the toilet. There. Then that's the other, There is Dada. Dito siya sa unahan para hawak niya yung luggage. Me and Ezra is sitting here. Si Lola and Zion there because they want to see the view. You should sit here so you can see outside here ka. And wala pang mga tao. So yung immigration dun lang sa labas. So paglabas mo na immigration,
I have light.
yeah. Paglabas ng immigration, yung train na agad.
Can I put the blind? Hello, we're on the train. And now look. It has blinds.
Kumain ka na is, have you eaten? Or you eat na. If it's not a question, kumain ka na, then you eat na.
And then there's also a table.
Don't play with it.
And then bye-bye. Hello, this is my new vlog and we're on the train. Look.
You can just stand up and put it this way. Pull it down.
There's blinds. Look, those are blinds. And then there's a table. And then this is my mama. And then this is my mama. Mama, say hi. Dada. Dada. Dada, say hi. Dada, say hi.
Dada is busy.
Dada, say hi. Dada,
Dada.
say hi. Lola, say hi.
Hi.
Coco, say hi.
Bye.
And that's the end of today's vlog.
See, that's a new link over there. That's a new.
Okay. Dito na kami sa Malaysia, 5 minutes. 5 minutes lang nandito na. Ayan, dito na. Aircon, okay.
Okay, yeah.
You have aircon there? Yeah.
You okay there?
Yeah. You okay? Okay. Pupunta na kami ng hotel. Wala nang battery itong packet. Ayan siya. Puro video.
Oh, from Philippines.
Huh?
From Philippines.
Oh, my wife is.
Yeah.
Dito na kami. Check it na lang si Dwayne doon. Dito kami sa bandang entrance kasi ang daming tao. Yan si Lola, nagpapapicture na siya.
Mama, what was
Okay, so first dish is here. We're having pizza. Gutom na siya. Binoblow niya.
I make it?
Pinahiram ko ng cellphone yung isa para makapag ano siya, Pokemon. Don't do that, anak. Let's wait for your other food.
An apple.
Wait, does that mean this is mine?
Okay, so this is mine.
Is that mango tango? No, that's the tea.
Can I have some of your chips?
Yan. Ayan, nandito na yung kanyang ano,
Lasagna.
lasagna. Huli sa kanya kasi mas matagal daw kain. Are you enjoying your food? Yes, Rabu? Yes? Are you tired? You wanna take a rest? Go to the hotel and then you take a nap, okay? Okay, naka-check-in na kami. Nakita ko na rin sila Wilma at si Love, pero tag doon, nag-check-in pa lang sila. So, this is the room. Medyo malaki yung kinuha namin ngayon kasi kasama namin si Mother. So we have ano here, full size mirror, and yung toilet ang laki-laki. The toilet, washing something, laki ng shower, pwede kaming magsabay-sabay dito. And of course the his and her na sink.
Get the hotel flop on the bed.
And here's the other living room. Oh, they have a complimentary juice, Eswabu. Eswabu, we have a complimentary juice.
Can I see?
Yeah.
I no, they don't compliments.
Complimentary means free.
Free drinks.
And merong toilet dito for guest. For pooping. Dito na yung mga madam. Oo nga, tingnan mo sa camera, kitang-kita yung patsit niya.
Sabi nga, patsit nyo talaga.
Sino ba nagkulay nito kasi?
Bruha. Napakulong natin yan.
Ito yung bawi ni Wilma sa'yo.
Tiwala ka sa aligang.
Ayan si mother, umpisan na siya. Kami ni Wilma, hindi na tayo Wilma, uwi na tayo. Magkape na lang tayo. Magkape na lang kami ha.
So, pala dalawin na ako dito. Tayo ko na
Balikan namin kayo dito.
sa block. Nanahimik na yung
Uy,
Okay, stop, Jaja. You open your eyes and look what's next to the situation. You do the worst as you go. He goes over there, then he goes to these chairs, but he found this tree. Bro, how did those trees here? Bro, Ezra, look behind. How did you not even notice it? Okay, this is challenge.
yellow na yung buko.
Thank you for watching our vlog. Bye.